one is really only fully prepared for death by this process of transformation that involves both purification and the activization of the presence of God within us, whether you call it the theological virtues and the supernatural organism and the fruits and gifts of the Spirit, or whether you think of it as the divine ground or the ground of being. So into this process of ongoing Christian life based on true values and a true relationship with God and our own uniqueness. This moves towards unity consciousness, in which we're invited to move beyond even being channels of God's grace, as St. Francis of Assisi prays, "Make me a channel of your grace." Wonderful. Not enough. We're not just called to be a channel, but to be it itself. That is to say, the divine presence manifesting fully in the details of daily life. And when it's accomplished, it's usually extremely unobtrusive, like every other way that God hides behind things. He hides usually the actual degree of union and unity that he has, even from ourselves. But unity means unity with that which is, without any intermediary. So that rational consciousness is rational consciousness, but it doesn't try to penetrate the higher levels, which are defined by the relational or existential presences.